Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to install and set up iMovie into your Mac. So if you want to install iMovie, just go on to App Store and search for iMovie. So you will get the first option as iMovie, make your own movie into Magic. You will get a get logo over here, just click on it. As I have already installed it, I can open it. In many Macs this comes pre-installed, but if you have a Windows, no need to worry, you can do some makeshifting to install it in Windows. So first you'll click on create new and click movie. As you can see, it is showing me an option known as import media. If you want to import media, you have two options. One is this and the other is this. So just click on it and get some media. So as you can see, I have imported a footage over here, a video of bread and also one more of bread. So first, if you want to drag into your timeline, just click on it and drag it into your timeline, as you can see here. And if you want to move your video, just click the spacebar. Yes, video will start. So the iMovie is now approximately 21 years old. I think it's the best free video editor for Mac users as well as Windows users, but it is not very convenient for Windows users as you have to do some makeshifting to use this in Windows. It is very simple to edit videos in iMovies, and this area over here is known as the timeline. This is the main area where you edit videos in iMovie. So you have to drag everything which you have over here. Okay, so if you drag it, you can just drag it like this. If you want to resize your timeline and preview area, just take your cursor at the top of the preview area, as you can see here, and drag it. With this, preview area will become much larger. So thank you for watching. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel.